All right, today I'm gonna be brush cutting a lot of this, a lot of that right there. Well, my camera fell over, so I'm not sure how much got recorded in it and how much didn't, but it's looking pretty good so far. Alright, it's obviously a windy day. My camera fell over again, but I gotten all that done. I might run it over, run over it again, make it kind of clean it up, make it look real nice. But working on top of this hill. Then I got to go to the back. They didn't want none of this done. Well, you can't see it, but they didn't want none of this done. But I might try to talk them into it. They just wanted this, and then in the back they got some. Actually, they wanted just this edge done, but the edge is very small, and it's, you know, they got a lot more work that needs done than just that edge. I'm gonna keep on working my way up this hill, and hopefully my camera don't fall over again.